So when this is done here, we can then go inside new.blade, and since the only thing that's different is the URL, not anything different than that, we are just gonna copy and paste this part. Just gonna go to the end of the document, and then what we need to do here is we just need to copy and paste this part here. And then we just need to change the URL in here to this. So if you use PHP, some it will make these backslash, which we don't need. So now that we have done that, the thing we need to do now is go into the block controller, and we need to go in and implement this one inside update. And the last thing we need to do beside that would have to be doing like this. Then we go in here, and we also need to add in like this. So we could just structure this a bit better and put all of this up here. And what would then happen is it will validate all of this. So now that we can upload an image and edit the image, we need to go inside our app, resources.js file, and inside here, and then we simply need to grab image from item.cover, this will give an error at first, so let's just go in here and then say it won't give an error, but it will definitely not be able to find the file because we're not having the full path here, we're just having the path. So while this is running, I'll just wait till it's done. As you can see, this gives an error. So first of all, let's put a colon here. We move this one here. Then we're gonna put in here with single quotation mark, and then we're gonna put a plus.item.cover. So what this should do is it basically put in the folder path and then the file name. So if we go in and refresh now, hopefully we should be able to see an image, or at least see where it takes us. Okay. Okay, so looking at the folder structure, we have storage, app, public, Then we're trying to load this file name. So if we go in here, try to just be sure that it's the correct file name. So the problem is we need to remove all of this here, and then we need to run PHP artisan storage link. By doing this, it will automatically load the image and it will be uploaded. It will be loaded inside the public folder where the files will be put in, and then you will be able to actually see the image when it just loads here. Of course, this is not the best styling for a component for a blog post, so we're gonna style that later on, and also take into account this is just a PNG file example. But this is how we can actually do that here. So now to the last part of it, and the last part will actually just be to link it. So in order to do that, we just need to say some content here, and then we need to say HIF read more. So basically in the next video we're gonna add in the content filters, because that's gonna take a little while. So what we can do here is we can go in and say protections, and then we can say post plus item ID. So what we should be able to see now is this one here, which links to post number 1. And we now go in here, see post number 1. So the last part we're going to do in this video, which is not going to take really long, is going to add in the image as the cover image to our blog post. So the way we will do that is we're going to go in here, and we are going to go up here. Then we will say img source, and then we will say, we can actually wait, we can like do like this. Then we can say blog cover, and the last thing we can do here then is say out, which is just gonna again be the summary of the blog post, which we're gonna do in the next video. And then we can also add in a class to make it fluid. So the next video we're gonna, there's 2 ways we can make the summary. And the thing is, Vue.js and JavaScript is gonna take some time to do that, and you can do that, or we can use PHP for it. I think I'm gonna go with PHP because that will simplify the process and make it easier for you guys to follow along, as this isn't not really based upon a Vue.js tutorial series. It's more based upon how to make a blog and Laravel. I think we would go that way. So what we see now is should be an image here. You can just load in here. Let's see why this could give an error. So what we can say here is asset, and we can say storage dot block cover. This should print out the full URL like this. So again, there's a little bit of styling we can do here. We can make this a bit smaller because this is obviously not filling the entire screen, and this is also really big. So we should put this inside a component too. So we're gonna do that in the next video as well.